your comfort collar, lift the harness and step carefully over the blue bar. Thank you for riding Icebreaker and enjoy the rest of your day here at SeaWorld. Thrill seekers, please lift up on the comfort collar and step over the blue bar. Once seated, hold the comfort collar over your head and down onto the lap harness. With that's in place, buckle the comfort collar. Your lap harness must be in the properly closed position and close to your body. Ensure your legs are between the U-bar and feet are under the shin pad. Be sure personal items do not interfere with the harness system. When the ride operator approaches, please raise your hand so they can check the harness for you. And get ready to break the ice against the seat and headrests. Get ready to break the ice against the seat and headrests. Lift the harness and step carefully over the blue bar. Thank you for riding Icebreaker and enjoy the rest of your day here at SeaWorld.